Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to exit full screen on YouTube. To do that it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open it, and after that open the video that you want to watch. And after that, as you can see in the bottom of the video screen, there is that circle with a square inside it. If you click on it, we are on the full screen mode, and to get out from the full screen mode, you have to click again on the circle on the bottom right of the screen of the video with like that white things inside it. Click on it like that and you will exit the full screen mode on YouTube. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.